A very warm good morning to my lovely students, babies. I hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. So, as you know that we are doing exercise work of chapter 1. Today we'll continue with the same. As this quote says, start your morning with a smile. Yes, always have smile on your face and start a day with smile, because smile is the solution of all worries and problems. So with this smile, let's start our session. So today we are going to do Grammarly of chapter 1, and in Grammarly we have question A, that is, name the 8 parts of speech. As you know that there are 8 parts of speech which we had learnt in our previous class, means in 4th class. So we are just going to recall it. Here we have 8 parts of speech. As you can see, number 1, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition or preposition, and interjection. So just recall it, have a look. Number 1, noun. So what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing or idea. For example, here you can see this is the column for person, this is for place, animal or thing. For example, girl, man, grandma, grandpa, Paris, school, home, Asia, kitchen, dog, whale, bee, lizard, book, pencil, shoe, flower, etc. These all are nouns. Now, next is pronouns. So, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the word which we use in place of nouns. For example, I, we, he, she, us, etc. Next is verb. Now, what is verb? All the action words or doing words are called verb. For example, draw, write, dance, hop, jump, read, dive, swim, etc. Now, next is adverb. Now, what is adverb? Adverbs are the word which tell us that how any action is going on, when it is happening or happened, at what extent, where is that action going on, or in what manner and how. So these question words give the answer of adverb. Have a look, there is a table where you can see many adverbs. For example, there, here, back, nearby, out, slowly, weekly, well, fast, today, now, then, daily, usually, rarely, quiet, very, just, deeply, etc. Now babies, next part of speech is adjectives. Now what are adjectives? The words which describe about any noun are called adjectives. Now adjectives gives more information about nouns. As I told you, it describes about noun. So here you can see what kind of that noun is. You can see blue, long, tall, big. Which one? This, last, second, other, etc. And how many? So 1, 2, 3, few, so many, etc. So these are the example of adjectives. Now next part of speech is conjunctions. Now, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words. As I told you, conjunctions are the joining words. Now, conjunction can join two words or two phrases, two sentences, two clauses, etc. For example, and, but, or, so, like you can see here as well. Now, we have some more examples here. While, either, yet, neither, nor, once, for, not, then, etc. These all are examples of conjunctions. Now we have here preposition. Now what are prepositions? The words which tells the position of any noun. Where is that? Such words are called prepositions. For example, from, in, on, at, with. More examples: over, under, near, far, up, down, etc. So these all are examples of preposition. Now here we have the last part of speech, that is interjections. Now what are interjections? Interjections are the words which show sudden emotions like happiness, sorrow, shock, etc. For example, bingo, bravo, ew, or hey, aha, ah. Then few more examples are here. Ow, hum, yay, wow, etc. These all are examples of interjection. Now we have next question of Grammarly, that is based on this information only. So what is that question? Identify the parts of speech of the colored words in the following sentences. So number 1 is Hari and Vijay are brothers. So Hari is noun here. Number 2, she gave me sweet mangoes. So sweet is adjective here. Number 3, Mary is on leave because she had to go out of town. She is pronoun. Number 4, the children jumped on the trampoline. So jumped is verb. Number 5, the sun shines brightly. So brightly is adverb. Number 6, there is a cockroach in the cupboard. So in is preposition. Number 7, Akash and Amber play cricket. So and is joining Akash and Amber, so and is conjunction. Number 8, oh no, the sparrow is dead. So oh no is interjection. Now students, we are done with today's class. I hope you understood it very well. Babies, thank you so much for being so much attentive during the session. Now see you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Bye.